You get down.
Come here.
Back up.
Make sure y'all got that
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Don't shoot.
Hands up.
Don't shoot.
Hands up.
De-escalate. Now de-escalate.
No. Don't shoot.
Hands up.
Don't shoot.
Hands up.
Don't shoot.
Hands up.
Don't shoot. We are surrounded. Don't shoot. We are surrounded. Don't shoot. Y'all, this is St. Charles Police Department. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Do not let them get behind you. Do not let them get behind you.
Hands up. Don't shoot.
All pulled up as
It
soon as
is
we
now
got here.
8:18 p.m. On behalf of the St. Charles County Police Department, I hereby declare this to be an unlawful assembly and command all those assembled to immediately leave. If you do not do so, you may be arrested or subject to other police action, including the use of force, which may result in serious injury. Section 574 of the Missouri State Statutes prohibits remaining present in an unlawful assembly. If you remain in this area just described, regardless of your purpose, you will be in violation
On the
of
ground.
Section 574.060. If you refuse to move, you will be arrested. If you refuse to move, chemical agents will be used. You can evacuate northbound or southbound on Sunbelt Road. This has been your final warning.
They just started.
What happened to the warning?
What the fuck is going on here?
Yeah! Watch your back! Watch your back! Watch your back!
Everybody on the sidewalk. Everybody on the sidewalk.
Hands up. Everybody on the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk.
You're the aggressor!
On the sidewalk.
This again is your last warning.
Do y'all see this?
Stay together. Stay together. Stay together. Everybody stay together. Stay together. You're not on the property. I'm trying to understand why you're chasing people.
Yeah, what the fuck's up with that?
Trying to understand why you're chasing people. Trying to understand why y'all are chasing people.
Across the street!
Y'all feel like terrorists?
Jaywalking.
We see you and it's what you look like.
Take your hand off your gun.
Who was it? Who was the one that, who did they get over here? Who did they get? Who did they get?
Police. All police.
Oh my God, they're coming.
All police.
Here they come. They're coming. This is public property.
Everybody to your cars. Everybody to your cars. Everybody. Everybody to your cars. Everybody to your cars. De-escalate. People are going to their cars. Why are you advancing? People are going to their cars. Why are you advancing? People are going to their cars. Why are you advancing? Everybody, go to your cars. Go to your cars.
So y'all heard that. You heard a door open because this entire time we've been waiting for somebody to be able to get in their car. I'm sure they're going to attack after this. Who? They're arrested.
Yeah, exactly.
We are peaceful, my
That's why I told Real, leave
And
that
this what
alone.
happens when we do this. But the other day, it was white people. And they didn't do this.
Yeah.
They're arresting her.
You are there.
Who?
They're arresting her.
Do y'all see this? This is police terror. This is police terror.
Racist white people. You guys didn't do this?
They chasing somebody back there.
I'm gonna guide us as we walk out.
Yeah. They literally are chasing people, though.
They should have left that dude alone.
Don't ask again. Get in the car. You go to jail. You understand? Okay, you're under arrest.
No.
Wait.
No.
I got it.
Wait.
I got it.
Do not do that. Do not do that. Do not do that. Do not do that.
I got it.
Do not do that. We're trying to make sure our people are safe because y'all want. We are trying to make sure our people.
You decided not to go to jail.
No, this is not that. This is not.
We got it.